Hello everyone, I hope you're having a good day today. What you're seeing here on the screen is a website called coinmarketcap.com. Now, if you trade any type of alternative coins or bitcoins, this website you should have in your bookmarks. It should be saved and it gives you a good snapshot of everything going on in the markets very quick. I like to pull it up all the time. It has cryptocurrencies here. There's 1,426. 7,908 markets, and the Bitcoin dominance is 32.7% of the overall market space is Bitcoin. So let me pull down here, and when you pull this website up, what you're going to see is that the coins are going to be listed in order according to the market cap. How much money is invested into these coins. And right now, number one is Bitcoin with $243 billion invested in Bitcoin. And then number 2, 3, 4, and you can go down the list. And a lot of people look at the top 20, right? If you make the top 20, you're doing pretty good, right? In the altcoin world. And I scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see that the top 100 is listed on the front page here. But what I want to talk about today is what are some good ways to use this site when picking out coins to consider to invest in. And I'm going to show you one just little trick that I do, and I hope you'll start doing this. There's a lot of different ways to decipher this website, but here's one thing that I do. You see this tab here, circulating supply? This is how many coins are existing on the market. And the default is to look at it by market cap, but I'm going to click on circulating supply, and in one click, I'm going to see the coins that have the most in circulation out there on the planet, listing from the top to the bottom. Now, notice the number, the ranking, according to market cap, is going to be different, but according to circulating supply, KIN is the coin with the most circulating supply out there. The price is below $1. The top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The top 6 you can get for under $1. And then it gets to a coin called Ripple, right? The Ripple coin is number 3 in market cap, but it's number 7 in circulating supply, and it's trading at $2 a share. Congratulations, Ripple. You're at $2. You know, a lot of people are jumping for joy because Ripple, they bought it probably at 60 cents, 70 cents, maybe $1.20, and now it's at $2 and everybody's happy. So you can go down the list and you can do this at your own leisure, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click circulating supply one more time. Now it's going to list the coins with the least amount out there, right? These are coins that do not have a lot of supply. Byte Ball Bytes. What's the price of one Byte Ball Byte coin? $1,151. Look at the next one, and the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Zcash, $700 a coin. Z Classic, $200 a coin. Zcoin, $108. BitConnect, $319. Dash, $1,101. Gas, $56. And we go all the way down, and Bitcoin's in here. Not all the way down. It's still toward the top. Bitcoin is trading at $14,464. Bitcoin Gold, $337. Monero, $412. Why am I making this video? Why is this important to you? Because it's the same old rules of supply and demand. If I'm going to invest in a coin, right? Why would I invest in a coin that everybody can get? Why would I invest in a coin that there's millions and millions of them out there already, and they're so prevalent that they can't even break $1? And so a lot of the mindsets of investors or traders out there is, I'm going to buy a whole lot of cheap coins because they're only 20 cents. They're 16 cents. I can get this coin for 4 cents. So what? So can everybody else. Where's that coin realistically going to go? But if you just pull up the circulating supply, the coins that are in high demand, all these numbers are high. And look at all the 24-hour change periods. They're all in the green. And look at the charting on them. I challenge you to do that. It's just like going to the store and buying a watch that you can get from Walmart or Sam's Club or Target and going to buy a Rolex. One's in high, one is mass produced, one is rare. And the rarity of the coin will determine a lot of times the value. So if I can only get so many Zcashes, right, coins, of course, each coin is $705 because in order for you to get a Zcash, you have to buy it from someone that already has one. And they're not going to sell it to you for nothing. It's just like this pen. If this pen was a rare commodity, I can go get a whole bunch of big pens from Walgreens down the street. But this pen, if you want this one, it's going to cost you a lot of money because there's only a limited supply. For a limited time, limited supply. Get this special pen. Well, if I got one and you want it from me, they're hard to find. They're hard to get your hands on. So if I'm going to get one, I'm going to have to pay for it. And that's the investments that you want to do in Bitcoin. When you're a Bitcoin collector, when you're an alternative coin cryptocurrency collector, look for good deals and look for coins that are going to be worth something. You're in this to make money, right? So if I buy a bunch of Zcash and a bunch of BitConnects and a bunch of Dash and a bunch of gas and hold them, as long as the supply stays low, well, the odds, now nothing's guaranteed, but the odds are these things are going to rise in value. And if I got 10 of them in my wallet, if you want one of them, you got to come to me for it. And if I'm going to sell it to you, I'm going to sell it to you at a profit. I'm going to sell it to you. The price of supply and demand will cause these things organically to rise. And you want the price of your coins to rise. So go ahead, everybody out there. Go collect your Ripple coins. Buy $3,000 worth of Ripple and sit there and watch that thing bounce around for the next 5 years. If that's what you want to do, I'm glad Ripple buyers are out there. You know why? It's keeping them out of the coins that I want. And it's going to get the coins that I actually buy and invest in to keep on rising. Do what you want with it. This is not the only factor on what a coin, if a coin is going to be worth something or if it's going to go up and down. All these coins in the top can go down in value. I'm not saying they can't. I'm saying use logical common sense when you're trying to find a coin. Don't run out and buy a bunch of Tron because it's at 10 cents. You can do it as an investment. You can do it as taking a chance. But to think this 10-cent Tron coin is going to go to $50 when there's this much circulating supply out there, it's pretty ridiculous. Now, let's just look at this. Look at the change of the 24-hour change, right? And look at the charts. Minus 4%. You see a lot of red on here, right? Now let's go to the circulating supply. The coins that are hard to get. The coins that cost some money. The coins that are in low supply. You see green, baby. You see green, baby. Couple of reds. You see green, baby. Couple of reds. But more often than not, you'll see a stable chart. You'll see price rising on these coins. Make your comments, like my video, and I'll see you on the next one.